Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. In this video, I will show you how to work with batch audio fades in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this, we go over to the Fairlight tab, and then instead of, for example, just using this to make fades, which is pretty exhausting, so we won't do that. Instead, we are going to the Fairlight tab, then click on Batch Fade Settings. What I like to do is enable fade in, crossfade, and fade out. Here, for the fade in, use the linear fade and do 3 frames. Then here for the crossfade, you can actually just leave it like this, 2 frames, select equal power. And for the fade out, use this one, exponential fade, and also do 3 frames. Then just make sure that override existing is not checked. Then just hit apply. Now we can zoom out and select all the clips that we want to apply the settings on. Then just go again, Fairlight, apply batch fades. And now, as you can see here, the fades and the crossfades are perfectly applied. Okay, this was a quick DaVinci Resolve tutorial about batch audio fades. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, please let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.